Question 1 asked, which country is home to the kangaroo? The answer is Australia. Kangaroos are native to Australia and became one of the country's biggest symbols. They are marsupials, meaning they carry babies in a pouch. Easy memory trick. Kangaroos and koalas both instantly make people think of Australia. Question 2 asked, how many legs a spider has? The answer is 8. Spiders are arachnids, not insects. Insects have 6 legs, while arachnids have 8. That difference shows up on lots of science quizzes. Question 3 asked for the hardest natural substance on Earth. That is diamond. Diamond atoms are packed together extremely tightly, which makes diamonds very resistant to scratches. Hard does not mean unbreakable, though. A diamond can still crack under a strong hit. Question 4 asked for the ringed planet. That is Saturn. Other planets have rings too, but Saturn's are the brightest and easiest to see. They are mostly made of ice and rock pieces orbiting the planet. Question 5 asked, which ocean surrounds Hawaii? The answer is the Pacific Ocean. Hawaii sits far out in the middle of the Pacific, which is the largest ocean on Earth. Question 6 asked, who painted the Mona Lisa? That was Leonardo da Vinci. The painting is famous partly because of the mysterious smile and Leonardo's soft painting style. Question 7 asked, what gas humans breathe out that plants need? The answer is carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide during photosynthesis to make food, then release oxygen back into the air. Question 8 asked for the fastest land mammal. That is the cheetah. Its flexible spine and long legs help it sprint at incredible speeds for short distances. Question 9 asked, how many colors are in a traditional rainbow? The answer is 7. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Question 10 asked, how many continents Earth has in the standard model? The answer is 7 continents.